Sandhayaha means Bahuvajanam of the word Sandhi. Sandhi Samyoga Bhedaha. These things first we will see. Sandhi Samyoga Bhedaha is what we have to see first. Sandhi Samyoga Bhedaha. What is the difference between Sandhi and Samyog? Bhavadbihi Paditam Yat Varnanam Yogena Shabdaha Bhavanti. You have already learned that. How do we make a word? How do we create a word? We create a word by joining the letters. For example, verb plus a plus r plus sh plus a is put together as Varsha. Verb plus e, v. D plus v plus a, Dva, and n together is Vidwan. So here you are asked to join these letters to make words. You can write it down. So here you have to add each vyanjan with its swara. That is v plus e, v. D plus y plus a, dya. L plus a, la. Y plus aha, yaha. So put together Vidyalayaha. Second one, Gramam. Under the letter ga, one line will come to denote ra. Gra, then amatra. Gramam, agacchata, t plus a, agachatha, jitnyasa, and kshatriyaha. K plus sh plus a, ksha, samyuktakshar. Kshatriyaha. So below Gramam plus Agachat. Gramam plus Agachat. This is not Sandhi, even though plus is given and two words are given. It is not Sandhi. It is called Samyog. Samyog means we are just doing the same thing. Vyanjan plus Swara. M plus A doesn't create any new Swara. When any new Swara or Vyanjan is not added to the answer, it is called Samyog. M plus A, ma. Gramam agachat. Dhanam plus anayati, dhanamanayati. Sanskritam plus adhite, m plus a, ma. Sanskritam adhite. Grandham plus adhitavan, grandham adhitavan. Vidyalayam plus agataha, vidyalayam agataha. Padhitum plus ichati, padhitum ichati. Dhanartham plus agachat, dhanartham agachat. Ede shabdaha varna samyogena yojitaha. So it is just samyog. Everywhere vyanjan like ma is added with the swara. So that haland will go basically, or if e or a comes, that matra will come. That is the only change. Here Hima plus Alayaha and Vidya plus Alayaha, that is not the case. Atra Hima Shabde Kaha Andima Varnaha. There is a swara added to the word already. Hima. Ma is not half. Hima. M plus A is already there. So in Hima, what is the last letter? Last letter is A. Like when you split the word Hima, H plus E plus M plus A. So the last letter is A. Like that, in Vidya, when you split V plus E plus D plus U plus A, here the last letter is A. And in Alayaha, last letter is Aha. No, we are adding Alayaha with Vidya. So we have to see the first letter, that is A. So here A, here also A. What do you get when you add A plus A? A plus A is A. So the answer is Himalayaha. Here in Vidya, ending letter is A. In Alayaha, beginning letter is A. And when you add it together, it becomes Vidyalayaha. So this is the starting of Dirgha Sandhi. When we add two swaras together, two similar swaras, we always get the longer one. A or A, short or long, we will get answer as long one. E also, short or long, whatever is the order, we will get E. U short or long, we will get U. R short or long, we will get R. That is the first rule of the sandhi, which is called dirgha sandhi. A, E, U, R iti ede dirghaswaraha sandhi. They are called dirghaswaraha. That is why the name of the sandhi is dirgha sandhi. Atra A, E, U, R etesham swaranam samanaswarena saha yogaha bhutva dvayoho eva sthani ekaha dirghaha bhavati. That is what is important. Dvayoho eva sthani ekaha dirghaha bhavati. That is, for example, if you take pitru and rinam, R and R, both R is taken out. Instead, we use one R matra. Instead of two, we use only one. Dvayoho eva sthani. In the place of two, we use only one matra. That is the difference. All the sandhis will not have like that. But dirgha sandhi replaces two swaras and two swaras with one swara. So how do we split this word? Swabalapatyasya. Swabalapatyasya should be splitted as swabala plus apatyasya. Swabala plus apatyasya. Na plus asti. A plus a matra will come. Nasti. Swadhinam, how do we split? Swa plus adhinam. Ashma plus api. When we add it, ashmapi. That is, this a swara will go and only a matra will remain. Kwapi, how will you split? Kwa plus api. Sa plus arthan. Pararthaya, how do we split? Para plus arthaya. Chinda plus adura, when we join it? Chintatura. Yadhajñapayati, when we split it?
Yadhajña plus apayati.
No, yadha plus ajñapayati. Yadha is one word, it's an avyayam. Yadha plus ajñapayati. Gabhira plus adhyanam? Gabhiradhyanam. Bharate nasti? Bharate nasti is not. It's not Bharate nasti. The question is supposed to be only nasti. Na plus asti. Na plus asti nasti. Kapi plus ishaha. Right side imatra will come. Kapishaha. Muni plus indraha. Munindraha. Madhu plus utsavaha. The dirgha u matra. Madhutsavaha. Sadhubadeshaha should be split as madhu plus like sadhu plus upadeshaha. Matru plus rinam. Matrunam. Under ta double matra will come. Mahishaha. Mahi, left side imatra. Mahi plus ishaha. Bhu plus urja, bhurja. The second this letter won't come, just you have to add it otherwise. Sughanubudhihi. Sugha plus anubudhihi. Sugha plus anubudhihi. There a matra is there. Sugha plus anubudhihi. Sughanubudhihi. Satya plus asatya vivekaha. Satya satya vivekaha. Sadhuktam. Sadhu plus uktam.